Hi, I'm Chet Mulligan, founder and president of Kwik Dry Total Cleaning, and I want to thank you for your interest in becoming a Kwik Dry Total Cleaning dealer. First of all, Kwik Dry is the only all-natural green, all-inclusive price cleaner in North America. That means we don't do the bait and switch like other companies do. We don't answer the phone and give you a low price and then show up at your house or your business and double it or quadruple it. We include everything. For example, if we come to your home and clean your carpet and your upholstery, we're going to clean it, we're going to disinfect it, we're going to deodorize it, we're even going to protect it. Some people know that as Scotch Guard it. If we come to your home to clean your air ducts, we're going to wash all the registers. We're going to clean the system, not just with negative air, but a brushing system that rotates and brushes and pulls all the dirt out of your air ducts. We're also going to disinfect the system. Again, we're not going to give you a low price over the phone and then show up and change the price. As far as becoming a Kwik Dry dealer, when I decided to take our brand and start to take it across this great nation of ours, I looked at all of our competitors. They basically charge the same royalties or licensing or franchise fees. They basically give you the same amount of territory, 110, 120,000 homes. And I wanted us to be different. We're already different with being all-inclusive pricing. So I decided to give bigger service areas and not charge a royalty like the franchises do. We have a low-cost licensing fee, and it's a one monthly cost, whether you have 2 trucks or 5 trucks or 10 trucks. We run, for example, 5 trucks here locally in the Cocoa Beach area. I also looked at the different franchises, and some of these big conglomerates, they have multiple franchises doing different services that could all be done by one person. So it's really all about money with a lot of companies. Well, I want you to be successful. We're not salespeople here at Kwik Dry. This is our brand. We own the formulas, we manufacture all of our own products, and we want you to be successful, because if you're successful, then we're successful. So you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. So we have several revenue streams. So every single home in your county or counties needs one or more of our services. We include carpet and upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, leather cleaning, grout color sealing that lasts 20 to 25 years, stain proofs of the grout, wall shower cleaning, air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, sandless hardwood floor cleaning and refinishing, and many other services and products. I also looked at the cost of these dealerships, and my philosophy is make a little bit of money on a lot of people. Whether you believe this or not, I really want to help other people. When I first went into business, I couldn't afford all these expensive franchises. I couldn't afford all of these equipment costs. So I truly want to help young men, young women, veterans, as I'm a veteran, even senior saints. We've got several that are in their 60s that run and operate a Kwik Dry Total Cleaning dealership. I really want to help people be successful. So the more services that we offer you, you'll get out of the gate quicker and you'll get on your feet faster. Most of our dealerships are profitable within 90 days. I've had a couple pay for their entire dealership within the first 90 days.
For only $35,000.
We include all of the equipment, all the products, your website, the search engine optimization, the social media that we do for you. We have a small monthly licensing agreement, a small website fee that we charge, opposed to these expensive franchises that charge hundreds and thousands of dollars per month. I want to thank you for considering Kwik Dry. We are now in 42 states and up in Canada. God has really been blessing this business because of our fortitude, also because of all the great dealers that are part of the Kwik Dry family. We want you to be successful. I want to thank you for showing interest. I hope that you'll click on the brochure below and get more information about our company. If it's something that you're really seriously interested in, I recommend that you click below under Make an Appointment with Chet. I'd be glad to take time to speak to you about this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for your time, and God bless you.